how are you all? Myself Pranchi, I'm an entrepreneur, I'm the full-time learner. In this video, we're gonna learn about LLM in the most simplest way as possible. You all have been thinking about what is LLM is, what is artificial intelligence is. If you are thinking to enter in this field, you must know LLM is. LLM stand for large language model. In today's era, most of the work has been done by artificial intelligence. But how? If I have an assistant, most of my work is done by my assistant because he is human, he understands me. But how artificial intelligence understand human? Because of large language model. Because large language model is a set of AI, is a type of AI which is trained on the data to give the solution just like a human do. So let's understand it in the most simplest way. For example, I'm building a chatbot and I give the data to the chatbot is that sky is a pink. When I ask that chatbot what color of the sky, it gives me the solution, it's a pink. So this is how the LLM works. You give the data, then it's trained on the data, and then it's give you the solution on this data. So if you are building a successful AI system based on LLM, you must fed it with a lots, billions of the data, just like ChatGPT do. In today's era, the most of the important thing is that about LLM is that it makes the organization works faster, effective, and more importantly, crazy. People always want to build their SaaS businesses, and it is possible by LLM models. So, if you are the one that really understand what is LLM is, let me conclude in the simple terms. LLM is just like a artificial intelligence that trained on the data that you give and it give you the solution like a human. So this is how LLM work, and it has a three component. The one is data. You give the data, and then it's trained on that data, and then it give you the prediction. This is how the LLM things work. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till then, take care with lots of love. Thank you.